For part A, when you add the two numbers together, you get 21.1050. But since we're adding, you have to find out the lowest place of accuracy. And 9.05 is rounded to the hundredths. So that means that this number needs to be rounded to the 100ths. So the digit behind is a 5, so I want to round up. So my answer should be 21.11. For part B, when you subtract, you get 237.411. And since the first number is only accurate to the tenths, my answer is only going to be accurate to the tenths. So my answer should be 237.4. For part C, when you multiply the two numbers together in your calculator, you should get 652.05. Since this is multiplication, we're going to count the number of significant figures. The first one has 3, the second one has 4. So my answer is only going to have 3 places of accuracy. So my answer should be 652. When you combine the last two numbers to division, you should get 0.07663 on your calculator. The first number has 3 places of accuracy. The second number has 3 places of accuracy. So our answer is going to have 3 places of accuracy. And so that's why my answer is 0.0766.